What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Webby, and today we are gonna learn about variables and constants in this new programming language called Swift 3. So let's get jump to open up your Xcode 8. If you guys don't have Xcode 8, I do have a video on how to download Xcode 8. So when you open it, you get this. Click on Get Started with a Playground, and then it says I want to leave it as my playground, and I will hit next, and it will save to my folder which I call Swift3, and I hit create. You guys will see this window. Okay, we are gonna delete this, and so let's see. So basically, to declare a variable in Swift3, if we put var, it automatically sets a keyword, and the name and the value is like a skeleton. Basically, we can name it, we can call it as variable1, and we can assign a value to it, which is 5. See? So we just use the verb, we just declare it. We got a name for our variable, and we assign a value, which is 5, which we got here. And now in order to give it a type, we can say something like this: var variable 1 int equals 5. You can do something like this. Don't worry, we will cover types in a later video, but we do have 6 types in Swift 3 that are double, boolean, integer, floats, characters, and also string. This would be the 6 types of Swift 3 that you can use. So we can comment this out. See, we just used a type, right? It is still the same. We just want as an integer, and we'll just get 5. So the type really helps that it tells the compiler how much room in a memory to make for each of variables. It can also help to declare what kind of input it can have. For example, int is just a number, so we can do something like this. Just watch what I'm going to do. So we got variable 1, right? We say int. Let's comment this out so we won't get a complaint. So variable 1 int, and we say hello, right? Watch this. Boom, we are getting an error because it's saying that the type is integer and we got a word, so it's a complaint. So we need to get, this is a string, so we don't want a string because the type is integer. So go back to a value, which is a integer, which is 5, right? And that's why it's called the variable variable 1. So next, let's comment this out. The differences between variables and constants is that we cannot change the value of a constant. So differences between variables and constants is that we cannot change the value of a constant. So for example, to declare a constant, we can call like this: let constant 1. And again, we are going to give a type, so we can say int equals 7. The difference we picked let, right? The difference we just picked let is instead of var is that the let keyword tells the compiler that this is a constant, not a variable. And look, if you want to change the value to something else, right? We say constant 1 equals to, I don't know, 77. Look, we are getting an error. So it says that the error is saying that it cannot assign a new value because constant 1 is a constant. It cannot be changed to a different value. So that's the difference of variables and constants. So I hope you guys understand a short tutorial on variables and constants. We will learn more on the upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on to the next video.